I am Shweta and I am doing my second year MTech CSC in IIT Bombay. And I finished my undergraduate in 2022. 2018 to 2022 batch basically. I appeared for GATE in 21 and 22. I worked in Microsoft in 2022 to 23. And IIT Bombay I studied from 23 to 25 and it is the greatest years of my life. And I got placed in Google now and it has a CTC of 40 lakhs and a base of 22 lakhs. And yeah, I would always like to do a lot of, I love artistic things, nature, and I like reading books, watching movies, etc. And yeah, I like to enjoy small things in life and I found IIT has a lot of those things to offer.
So hey guys, today we have one of the MTech student of IIT Bombay. So can you introduce yourself?
Yeah, so I'm Shweta and I am a MTech CSC second year student. I passed out my BTech in 2022 and I worked in Microsoft for 1 year and then I joined IIT from my 2022 GATE score. So I appeared for GATE in 2021 and 2022 and yeah, here I am.
Okay. So like when did you decide like you should prepare for like GATE exam?
GATE was not on my list, but in third year we all of us in our college we wrote GATE because our teacher told us to, and I was shocked to get a good result. And then so in my BTech I was not focused on going to my masters. I was planning to go for my placements only. But since I had a GATE score, I thought I'll be able to get an IIT degree also.
So can you describe your GATE journey and like what was your rank you have achieved?
Okay, so in 2021 GATE, I had thought third years were not allowed to write GATE till then. So I got a AR of 56 and after that in the next year I got 31. So both the years I actually was very chill. I did not like GATE score was not very important to me. So that pressure is not there for you. Okay. So that would help you to perform better.
Like how did you prepare, any coaching or like?
Yeah, I used to study on myself only, YouTube
so you
videos.
did not take any coaching?
No, yeah, I did not
my
take
God.
it.
Like guys आप देख सकते हैं इन्होंने बिना किसी कोचिंग के GATE निकाला. That is very like motivational for like GATE aspirants.
Yeah.
So like आपने सब कुछ खुद से ही किया है?
Actually, BTech fundamentals, if they are strong for you, then you don't require a GATE coaching.
Okay.
And in third year, I just looked at what are the subjects are there, what type of questions they ask. And in fourth year, I was able to prepare better because I could see the previous year questions. I could focus on the topics which are easier for me, but I'm not very good at it, that kind of a thing. My strength, I could focus more on it.
तो जैसे कि मुझे पता है कि like you have placed in Google in IIT Bombay, right?
Yeah.
So like did you ever thought like you will go into Google?
Yeah, Google is actually a dream company for any software engineer. So whenever I came into IIT Bombay, many people told day one companies Google, Microsoft are all like very much possible for CSE students. So that was actually a dream company for everyone.
अगर आप भी गेट 26 और 27 या ESE की तैयारी कर रहे हो तो आप अपनी तैयारी को ले जाओ नेक्स्ट लेवल पर, क्योंकि अब आप PW के विजय श्रेष्ठ और पराक्रम बैच में एनरोल कर सकते हो, वो भी डिस्काउंटेड प्राइस पे, और आप इनके ये बैचेस भी देख सकते हो. और अगर गेट 2025 के रिजल्ट देखें तो PW के स्टूडेंट्स ने काफी सारी रैंक्स निकाली हैं. नाउ आल्सो एक्सपीरियंस इनफाइनाइट लर्निंग विद बैच इन्फिनिटी फ्रॉम PW ऑफरिंग गेट खजाना PYQ बुक्स एंड मेनी मोर. सो डोंट मिस आउट, एनरोल नाउ. और इसके साथ साथ यू कैन परचेज PW गेट वाला टॉपिक वाइज प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चन. दिस सेट कंटेन्स 2 बुक, technical and non-technical, which will cover a topic-wise set of the question from the past 16 years, 2008-2023, with the complete solution to help you ace your exam, especially designed for GATE aspirants. तो अगर आप मेरा कूपन कोड PRS500 यूज करते हो तो आपको एडिशनल 500 रुपीज का डिस्काउंट मिलेगा. सो जल्दी से जाके परचेज करो. सो विदाउट वेस्टिंग योर टाइम, लेट्स स्टार्ट द वीडियो.
So like what was your first reaction when you saw the like offer letter from Google?
Yeah, so Google's interviews were hard, but so the HR actually told us that you are selected in Google.
Oh my God.
So they kind of bypassed the placement process and they told you that you are selected in Google.
So you have placed in day one?
Yeah.
Okay. So like how many students placed in Google in your branch?
In my MTech there are no other students, but
So you are the only one who have placed?
Yeah.
So like what was your CGPA in like MTech?
9.94.
So are you the topper of your MTech?
Yeah.
So guys, she is the topper of her MTech. So like it is like मतलब गेट स्कोर पे डिपेंड करता है या फिर MTech का है जो CGPA रहता है उस पे
So Google looks at your resume and shortlist. So resume strong होना चाहिए. CGPA is important. Your previous any work ex is important. And if you have any internship at a popular company, that is also important.
ओके
And
जैसे कि आपने बताया आपने माइक्रोसॉफ्ट
Soft
में
में
काम
काम
किया
किया
हुआ
था,
है
yeah.
ओके तो फर्स्ट आपने माइक्रोसॉफ्ट में अभी गूगल में आप करने जा रहे हैं
Yeah.
ओके सो लाइक व्हाट मोटिवेटेड यू टू प्रिपेयर फॉर गेट एंड वाज आईआईटी ऑलवेज द गोल
So when I was preparing for GATE, IIT was not a goal for me. So when I was preparing for GATE, I thought it's a very interesting thing to write an exam in the COVID time.
Yeah.
So whenever we wrote any exams, we wrote at home, and it was so boring. So GATE was just a welcome change at that time. But after I went to Microsoft and worked, I thought why not get an IIT degree, because it was a little less challenging at work, and I thought an IIT degree at IIT Bombay would be really useful.
सो लाइक डिड यू प्रिपेयर फॉर जेई
Yeah, I did, and I was not able to clear that.
Yeah.
So that is a very
लाइक मतलब बहुत सारे बच्चे होते हैं जो जेई की प्रिपरेशन कर रहे होते हैं बट दे समहाउ किसी रीज़न की वजह से वो नहीं क्रैक कर पाते हैं बट इसका ये मतलब नहीं दे आर नॉट टैलेंटेड एंड दे आर नॉट ब्रिलियंट राइट तो आप एक दूसरा अपॉर्चुनिटी आप एमटेक में आईटी आ सकते हैं और
Yeah.
इसके बाद भी आप बहुत अच्छी जगह जा सकते हैं जैसे आप लाइक यू हैव प्लेस्ड इन गूगल
yeah.
सो व्हाई डिड यू चूज आईआईटी बॉम्बे ओवर अदर आईआईटीज और आईएससी
So I am from Coimbatore, which is very close to IIT Madras and IISc Bangalore.
या
So
स्टिल यू हैव चूज
chosen IIT Bombay because IIT Bombay CS is supposed to be one of the best things, and I also wanted to explore Mumbai a little, and yeah, that was also a reason.
Okay, so like you can go, like you could go in ISC also, like.
But I wanted the IIT tag.
Okay, so the IIT tag is bigger than any other tag.
Yeah.
Okay, so like you have said your AIR was 31.
Yeah,
and
31.
you have also 56.
Yeah.
Oh. Like how did you manage time between college and GATE preparation, GATE studies?
So COVID time we don't have a lot of college work, that is there. In third year I just like solved some worked out questions from previous year questions, and then watched YouTube videos, Unacademy videos and all. So that was not hard. In fourth year actually the last January before GATE I did not even study for GATE.
Okay.
Because we had our offline semester exams, because people were telling in COVID time you have to come to the college and write exam and all. But that was not hard, because when your fundamentals are strong you don't need to prepare the last minute also.
Okay. Like without any coaching, like you have prepared this thing. Only like basics of BTech CSE, right?
Yeah.
So like what resources or any coaching played a key role in your success?
For GATE I should say there are a lot of YouTube videos, but we have to pick the right one.
Yes.
So some
So
professor.
can you suggest something like to the viewers?
Okay, so you can see, for example, Unacademy, GATE Academy, there are so lot of YouTube channels, but you have to see whether that prof, their language, the way they teach concepts is suitable to your style.
Okay. So are they free or they have some?
They are all free.
All free.
Yeah.
Okay.
There
So
are
you
actually
did not
paid
give
course
any
also.
money for this
No,
thing?
I did not.
Okay. So like what was your toughest subject and project you worked at IIT Bombay?
In IIT Bombay, rather than toughest course, I should say toughest thing is time management.
Time management.
Yeah, so you can do a lot of things, but because you are lazy or something, you do everything at the last minute and you're not able to do that well. And especially when you have 4 courses and your MTP guide meeting every week.
And TA duty also.
TA duty also, yes.
Like for those who don't know, like if you are MTech student at IIT Bombay, so you have to do TA duty, right?
Yeah.
So like you have to go the TA assistantship.
Yeah.
So आपको उसमें मतलब आप कोर्स वगैरह हो रहते हैं तो प्रोफेसर्स के साथ आपको उसमें बच्चों को गाइड करना होता है, एग्ज़ाम कॉपी चेक करनी होती है, असाइनमेंट क्वेश्चन पेपर बनाने पड़ते हैं, फिर एग्ज़ाम ड्यूटी में इन्विजिलेटर की ड्यूटी भी करनी पड़ती है, तो वो भी हेक्टिक होता है और खुद का भी कोर्स हमें करना होता है, राइट? सो हाउ डिड यू डील विद स्ट्रेस एंड लो मोमेंट्स ड्यूरिंग योर गेट प्रिपरेशन?
In GATE preparation, I didn't have stress, because whenever you expect something or you want something, that will cause you to have stress. But in GATE, during GATE, it was not that hard, because GATE was not a end goal for me. At that time, placements in my BTech college was end goal for me. So GATE was just a side project kind of a thing. So
लाइक आपके लिए गेट टफ नहीं है, बट दो जो बच्चे मतलब प्रिपेयर कर रहे हैं, इवन मेरे लिए भी गेट काफ़ी टफ था, बट ये कि आपने प्रॉपर सिलेबस गो थ्रू कर रखा है, इसलिए आपको मतलब लगा कि मतलब अदरवाइज गेट इज़ ऑल्सो द वन ऑफ द टफेस्ट एग्जाम.
Okay. GATE, I think when you want to go to IIT and you're preparing for GATE, you know that you have to get an AR of 50 to 100
Yeah,
or something.
yeah.
So that is hard. That would cause you a lot of stress, and when you write mock exams, you won't get good scores. Even when I wrote mock exam, I got not very good score. So I thought it was not a easy thing to write GATE. But in the exam, if you just focus, a lot of questions are like if you eliminate the options itself, only 2 options would be meaningful. And from that you can make a little bit of guesswork and things
Okay,
can
like
go.
ऑप्शन एलिमिनेशन से आपने करेक्ट आंसर ये
ले
वाला
सकते हैं,
पूछ
हाँ।
लिया था. ओके, तो जैसे कुछ बुक्स वगैरह या कुछ रेफर करना चाहोगे, जैसे आप CSE ब्रांच से, राइट?
हाँ.
सो लाइक कैन यू रेफर सम बुक्स फॉर दोस हु आर
So at the time of GATE, I did not use books exactly, but BTech में whenever I had to study, so OS के लिए we used to study books, and computer architecture के लिए we used to study the entire book. That used to be a lot of fun during that semester, and that fundamental when it comes engraved in you, then it's easy for you to prepare GATE. Just any CS prescribed syllabus book is good.
Okay. So what was your first reaction when you saw the offer letter from IIT Bombay and when you entered at IIT Bombay?
Yeah, so when I was very excited actually. I don't know, I didn't research properly. So a lot of people I knew used to research. I'm interested in this domain. This professor works in IIT Bombay and he is good at this domain. IISc, they are not that good in this domain, and then they decide the college. So I had no idea what research I'm going to do. So at that time I was like excited for anything new. So I wanted to do coursework mostly because I was
Okay.
bored of not having exams and everything. So I was interested for coursework and I wanted to know what research is. So I was very excited what IITB would be, and IITB is very different from what I imagined. So the experience of these 2 years can never be matched, like whatever you
Atmosphere, academic culture, students, all the top years come to IIT Bombay, whether it is BTech or MTech, right?
Yeah.
And like when you entered at the gate of IIT Bombay, what was that moment?
It was
How that
raining
moment?
so heavily, so I don't remember what happened at that
It was
time.
only raining that time, right?
Yeah.
When we come to like orientation day.
Yeah.
How was the transition from gate preparation to life at IIT Bombay?
So actually my transition was not GATE preparation, work to IIT Bombay. So you would think you have a salaried job, you would work more, but the amount of code I wrote in my job was less than what I wrote in IIT Bombay. So I was having a very hectic lifestyle in semester 1. So you don't have a 9 to 5 job or weekends now. So every day you have to work, and there are a lot of good courses here with assignments and a lot of coding assignments, which require a lot of effort in the first semester.
Yes.
So it was hard in the first
Like
semester.
you will get trained in the first semester itself, and you can survive the next
Yeah, exactly.
3 semester.
Yeah.
So like one more question, like when one should decide that he or she should go for MTech from IITs.
Okay.
Like if you are doing BTech, then you can get job after BTech also. Like when one should think and one should decide.
So if you just want a job, then probably MTech in IIT is not the best thing. You can actually, if you just prepare after BTech, you can drop 1 year, prepare DSA, hard, grind it. Nowadays, all companies will take off-campus placements also.
Yeah.
Even Google, Microsoft, anything you can clear with good DSA and good fundamentals. But if you want to experience IIT, if you want to meet people here, the contacts here are just amazing.
And the tag of IIT Bombay.
Yeah, tag of IIT Bombay. And then if you want to know what is research, if you want to really do research in IIT Bombay, then I think you should choose to come to IIT Bombay rather than just placements.
But one should experience this.
Yeah.
How is the peer environment and culture at IIT Bombay for MTech?
So if there is no MTech, BTech division in courses at least. And
Have
even
you ever felt like any discrimination from BTech and MTech?
on an average, they have cleared JEE, so their math and fundamentals are much stronger than MTech. I would say GATE is a very easy exam compared to JEE. So the quality of us are not that great.
Yeah.
But overall, if you see MTechs and BTechs, we are all good at one thing or the other.
Yeah.
So the other thing I found in MTech IIT Bombay is any course you go, there will be someone who is smarter than you in some respect. And you will be very humbled and you will be experiencing that kind of greatness there. So small things, even any different things, you will find a lot of people better than you in a lot of this things. So that is.
Let's talk about Google. So how did you prepare for the placement?
So actually, peer pressure actually.
Yeah.
Here, a lot of people in IIT Bombay start preparing for placements. They start grinding lead code 1 year ago, like 1 year before placements. So that seeing them, you would feel like you will also have to do lead code. You have no other option or something like that. So, but I would say rather than the 1 year, the entire undergraduate to here, whatever fundamentals you have is more important for placements than the 2 months you prepare for GATE or placements.
So like how do you guys prepare for placement at IIT Bombay? There are some sessions going on, like
Yeah, sessions not that much. Many people prepare for DSA by just doing questions on their own,
Okay.
and then we discuss with our friends because there are some daily questions, there are striver sheets, etc. So you can discuss with your friends what happens, some logic and all you can ask. And for fundamental CS like OS, DBMS, OOPS and all, you can just help each other out. As a group, you sit and study, and you can help
so
each
how
other out.
important the friend circle?
It's very important because you don't have the motivation to study on your own.
Yeah,
But if you have someone who's smart and who also sits and studies, who questions you, you try to understand something and you're wrong. They question you saying this is not right. So that keeps
Because
you to
here are every student are up to that
that
good
level.
right?
Yeah.
Like what was the Google selection process, rounds, question?
So Google had 3 rounds of DSA and HR only, that Googliness only.
Okay.
So they didn't ask OOPS, they didn't ask any computer fundamental, they didn't ask anything from your resume, not even an introduction actually.
Directly the
The questions, yeah, and the questions were not very easy. They were hard at like first. If you hear the question, you will be scared a little. But if you tackle that question, they'll give a lot of help. They'll give you hints. They'll help you every step on the way. So that will be very easy at the end.
So is this like they were like thinking how you approach?
Yeah, and they see your confidence. They see how the variables you name, the approach you think, and whether you discard their help. So they say, does DP really help or something which will hint that DP is not the right way. You still keep telling DP, then that is not a good this thing.
Okay. So can you share one the weirdest question they have asked?
In Google,
And one is strange question.
yeah, in strange question, so I should say one coding question they asked. It was something related to geometry and all, like 2 points, midpoint and all that. And I did not have a geometry approach at all. So I was just explaining my approach and the interviewer did not understand it at all. So they were keeping on hinting on their approach which I have no clue on. Okay. And this happened for a while and this was the first round. So I was like, I will never get into Google. After this round, I was like, I'll go to the, I had 2 more interviews also, like Qualcomm and Microsoft. I thought I'll go better, do Qualcomm and Microsoft better. So that was my idea at that time.
Okay. One more question, like trading company आती है क्या मतलब MTech के लिए?
So for quantitative trader or researcher role, they prefer BTechs.
They prefer BTech.
And I also don't want to work as a quantitative trader after doing 6 years of computer science. But there are a lot of software engineer roles in trading companies.
Okay.
They are very high paying. So before Google, a lot of us had that as your dream company. Yeah.
So like any specific data structure, algorithm or CS concept you focused for your preparation?
You have to prepare everything, but I think small heap, priority queue, hash maps or something like that, those things are very frequently asked, and graph and trees.
Okay. So how important are project and internship for MTech placement?
It actually gives you a confidence. That is very important. You know how to approach interviews and your resume. So what happened in IITB placements was a lot of companies gave similar tests. So everybody performed similarly in all tests. And then the only differentiating factor would be your resume.
An interview.
So you don't get selected for interview if your resume is not good.
Okay.
That is a problem.
So let's come to package. What
Yeah.
is your package? We have
So 22 base and 40 CTC.
Okay, 40 CTC. That
Yeah.
is very good, right?
Yeah.
And what is the highest package of IIT Bombay? Do you know in MTech?
In MTech, I think 50 is there for DISHA, I guess. And yeah, actually there's World Quant 92.
92.
Yeah.
Okay, so that is the highest. 92 like near 1 CR.
Yeah.
So that is exceptional placement.
Yeah, a lot of quant companies would require fast math, fast thinking at that point also. So even if you are a a very mathematically good person, then probably you can crack them. Yeah.
And at this stage, like something like amount doesn't matter. Like you
Yeah.
are in Google, that is the one of the lead company, right?
Yeah.
So like, how are you feeling? You have got placed in Google.
So actually I wanted a good work-life balance also. So we do know that quant companies do not have a great work-life culture. Yeah, and I know from Microsoft that you can really explore whatever city you're living in and have a lot of extracurriculars and still manage to get your salary every month. So literally working
and
in
good
an
amount of salary.
Yeah, working in an elite company would be so much less effort than studying for IIT. like IIT.
इट्स लाइक जैसे हम बाहर कहीं बताते हैं किसी को कि हम IIT बॉम्बे में पढ़ रहे हैं,
हाँ.
तो एक मतलब ब्रांड बनता है। सिमिलरली आप बताएंगे जब मैं गूगल में जॉब करती हूँ, लाइक एक ब्रांड, मतलब सब जानते हैं गूगल को, राइट? तो अभी तक किसी ने बोला है कि जब गूगल में चले जाओगे तो इसका अकाउंट हैक कर देना, ऐसे करके कुछ फनी कमेंट?
Yeah, many people ask for Google Drive unlimited storage.
ओके कि उनको प्रोवाइड कर दो। या किसी ने इंस्टाग्राम को हैक कर देना मेरा ये आईडी वगैरह कुछ।
उतना तो नहीं थी हाँ, लेकिन
तो गाइज़ ये थी श्वेता की कहानी। अगर आप भी ऐसे ही प्रिपरेशन कर रहे हैं गेट की, तो जस्ट प्रिपरेशन करते रहो, एन्जॉय द मोमेंट एंड लाइक प्रिपरेशन। और मतलब ये मत सोचो कि ये कोई मतलब बहुत ज़्यादा स्ट्रेसफुल है, मतलब अपनी जर्नी को अच्छे से सॉल्व करो, टाइम मैनेजमेंट के साथ पढ़ाई करो, आपको फिर मतलब गेट क्रैक करने से कोई नहीं रोक सकता। तो गाइस ये वीडियो आज यहीं ख़त्म करते हैं, मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो।